I remember buying my first compound bow. It was an absolute nightmare. I bought something way too aggressive, completely guessing on my specs. I ended up with terrible shoulder pain, horrible shooting form, and lost arrows scattered all over the dirt. Choosing your first setup shouldn't be a painful guessing game that drains your wallet. Well, today I'm breaking down the top 5 beginner bows I've actually put to the test, so you can skip the frustration. Stick around because number 1 is a total game changer.
5. Diamond Edge 320. This bow is best for the absolute novice who needs extreme adjustability to figure out their proper draw length and weight over time. I got my hands on the Edge 320 a while back, mostly because everyone talks about its massive adjustability range. And to be fair, going from 7 to 70 pounds of draw weight is practically unheard of in most standard setups. You can literally hand this to a kid and then adjust it for a full-grown adult in about 10 minutes with just a simple Allen wrench. But the draw cycle is definitely rough around the edges. When you start pulling it back, especially as you crank up the weight, you can feel a very harsh dump right into the let-off. It just isn't smooth at all. As a beginner, that aggressive cam profile can actually teach you some really bad habits. You end up jerking the string back rather than pulling it smoothly and fluidly. I also noticed it is quite loud on the release. You get a lot of hand shock and vibration ringing straight through the riser into your wrist. Then there are the factory strings. They stretched out on me after just a few weeks of heavy shooting. I was constantly battling peep rotation and timing issues, which is exactly what a beginner shouldn't have to worry about. You want to focus on form, not fixing your string every other day. It will definitely get you shooting, and the crazy adjustability is cool on paper.
4. Hoyt Torrex. This is the go-to for aspiring hunters who want premium brand recognition without taking out a second mortgage just to get started. So Hoyt is legendary, right? You expect greatness right out of the box. And honestly, the bear bow itself is built like an absolute tank. The grip feels phenomenal in the hand, featuring that classic Hoyt geometry that just locks your wrist in place and prevents you from adding weird torque. It is undeniably tough, but it is not all sunshine here either. The draw cycle is noticeably stiffer than I would prefer for someone just learning the ropes. It demands respect and proper shoulder alignment right from the very start. If you relax even a little bit at full draw, this bow wants to rip your arm forward violently. It is pretty unforgiving when you're just trying to build muscle memory and perfect your anchor point. You can't just hang out at full draw and take your sweet time like you can on softer cams. The rest in sight that come bundled with the Torrex package feels surprisingly cheap compared to the actual bow. I found myself wanting to rip them off and upgrade immediately. They just feel a bit brittle and lack the refinement of the main riser. You're definitely paying a heavy premium for that Hoyt badge painted on the limbs. It shoots hard and fast, but for a true beginner, that stiff draw and the mediocre accessories make it a somewhat frustrating starting point, unless you're willing to spend more money right away.
3. Elite Basin RTS Package. This one is perfect for the growing archer who values a buttery smooth draw cycle above absolutely everything else on the spec sheet. When I first pulled back the Elite Basin, I actually had to check the limb bolts to make sure I had the weight set right. It is just ridiculously smooth. Elite is famous for their pure shootability, and they somehow packed that premium feel into a beginner price point without ruining the experience. The transition right into the let-off is practically invisible. There is no harsh dump, no fight against the cables. It just glides back and anchors perfectly. The back wall is rock solid, it just holds there effortlessly while you take your time aiming and breathing. Unlike the previous setups, the accessories in this ready-to-shoot package are actually highly usable right out of the box. The sight is clear and easy to adjust, the rest holds the arrow securely through the draw, and I was grouping arrows tightly within an hour of unboxing it. It is a massive step up in pure comfort. Archery is supposed to be fun, and you actually enjoy the whole process when you aren't fighting the cam system every single time you pull back an arrow. I could shoot this thing for hours without any shoulder fatigue.
Bottom line, the Basin builds real confidence. It forgives minor form errors and just lets you focus on hitting the target, which is exactly what a beginner needs to stay motivated and keep practicing week after week.
Number 2. Genesis Archery Original Lightweight Compound Bow. Look, I know what some of you are thinking right now. A Genesis? Really? Yes, hear me out. This bow is the absolute best choice for families or casual backyard shooters who just want to share a bow without messing with tools and scales. There is no specific draw length requirement on this bow whatsoever. It features a zero let-off design that essentially covers everyone from a young child to a full-grown adult. I handed this exact bow to my young nephew, let him fling a few arrows at a foam block, and then I shot it myself right after. No Allen wrenches, no bow press, zero adjustments needed. It is pure, simplified archery in its most accessible and friendly form. Obviously, you are not taking this out into the woods to hunt a deer. It doesn't have a let-off wall or generate massive kinetic energy, but for pure form practice on a backyard Sunday afternoon, it is absolutely phenomenal for building a solid foundation. The build quality is surprisingly durable for what it is. It features a machined aluminum riser that can take a beating. You can drop it, bang it around in the trunk of your car, and it just keeps shooting straight every single time. It strips away all the intense technical intimidation of modern compound bows. It just works. If you want to learn the absolute basics of holding a bow, releasing an arrow properly, and having fun with zero setup stress, this is practically a mandatory purchase for your household. Sanlida Dragon 10 Flagship top-of-the-line hunting compound bow. This is the ultimate choice for the serious beginner who wants a pro-level, all-inclusive hunting setup without paying the outrageous flagship price tag. Sanlida is quietly disrupting the entire archery market right now, and they are doing it fast. When I ordered this, I fully expected some major corners to be cut. I mean, getting an entire high-end package at this price, it honestly seemed too good to be true. But wow, I was completely wrong. The machined aluminum riser is incredibly stiff, perfectly balanced, and just feels incredibly premium in the hand. And it comes with literally everything you could ever need. You get a stabilizer, a multi-pin sight, a drop-away rest, arrows, a wrist release, and even a carrying case. You open the box and you are entirely ready for the range. The draw cycle is incredibly smooth, easily rivaling big-name bows that cost 3 times as much. I took it out to 50 yards and it was just stacking arrows right on top of each other. It is fast, highly efficient, and surprisingly easy to tune out of the box. It is also incredibly quiet. When you release the string, the bow is completely dead in the hand. There is no lingering vibration, no buzzing accessories, no hand shock. You just hear the satisfying thwack of the arrow hitting the target. This isn't just a beginner bow to use for a single season. That's all for today, folks.